On Windows device, when you try to delete a file, we might see notices or error like cannot delete file, access is denied, there has been a sharing violation, the source or destination file may be in use, and one of the most common error is file access denied. You need permission to perform this action. And this becomes really annoying because you are trying to delete any file and anyhow you're not able to delete it. But no worries guys, today I will be sharing the best way with which you can delete any undeletable file forcefully on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now the very first thing that I would recommend you, if you are trying to delete any regular file, like for example, I have a video file here, and when I try to delete it, it gives me a very simple message that this action can't be completed because the file is open in this program. Now I know that for many of you it might be not a big problem, but still I would like to include this. So in such cases, it clearly indicates that this program or file is running with other application and due to which you are not able to delete it. Now once I know that it's open in this application, what I can do, I can bring that application and you can see that yes, it's running over here. So either I can just remove this file from this application or I can close the application entirely. And after that, if I try again, bingo, so the file will be disappeared and it will be successfully deleted. So this was a very common fix, but now let's move with the main problem where you get access denied. So let me show you again. I'm on this location here in the Windows System 32 in the English United States. I have a file here, winlogon.exe.mui. I want to delete it. Now what happened? When I right click on it and choose delete, it gives me an error message. You need permission to perform this action. Even if I try again, same, file access denied. You need permission to perform this action. And you also might have the same or similar error message for any kind of file or any kind of folder. Then what you will have to do, simply make a right click on it, go to properties, click on the security tab. Now here where it says group or username, you will have to look for your user account. If you get it, then you are okay. But in case if you don't find your user account name here, then what you can do, look for your user account name by clicking on the Windows icon. And here you will find your user account name. Come back and click on add. Now where it says enter the object name to select, you have to type your user account name exactly by keeping the lowercase and uppercase in mind. And then when I click on check name, it will automatically detect my user account. Once selected, I will click on OK. And now my user account name will be listed here. Now once you find your username as well, below where it says permission, make sure all the allow options are being checked. And you also need to make sure that none of the boxes are checked in the deny section. Alright, once done, now click on apply, click on yes, OK, OK. And this time if you try to delete the file, bingo, it will be immediately deleted without giving you any kind of error message. So this is the most effective and the powerful method that I found. However, there are some more ways to delete these kind of files forcefully, like using the command prompt or using any kind of third-party application. But according to me, this is one of the most effective method that I would like to only share. Rest, if you want to check the third-party application, then you can check this tool. That is ViceForce Deleter. You can check this. It says free file and folder unlocker and remover. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you found the information useful. And if it worked for you, please let me know in the comment section. And still if you have the issues, please brief it in the comment section. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.